and welcome to another Pop in a Box subscription box opening, and today I'll be going through March's Pop in a Box. It looks quite like a big one, and if anyone's unfamiliar with Pop in a Box, it is a online retailer that they sell pops, daubs. I think they've got a few t-shirts on there and some little other accessories, and yeah, it's really good. I pay just under £20 a month for this, and you get two pops. And if you've not used Pop in a Box before, all you do is sign up. I'll leave the link below, and thumbs up the ones you like even, and thumbs the one you don't like, and you get a chance of getting them in your mystery box. So it's pretty cool. You never know what you're gonna get, but yeah, this to me looks like it could be either a 10-inch or a 6-inch or movie moments, something like that. Last month I got the Professor Hulk and Pikachu, the new one, the last special edition one, and they had them on their website for about, the Hulk were about £23 and the Pikachu were about £15. So you definitely get your money's worth from Pop in a Box. And the month before, I got the Shenron from Dragon Ball Z, got the 10-inch, and I got the 6-inch. So let's get into this box and see what we get this month. This box has already been checked. I'm sure there's no damages. No idea what's in this box. I'm hoping it's something good. It should be the size of the box. And I'll just pop this one aside so you can actually see. And it's actually well packaged. Pop in the Box is doing quite well lately with marketing boxes. I don't think I've had one damaged since October. Either October or September. But oh, nice. The first pop, I already have this pop, but it's always good to have another one in your collection. Grab this for a display. One in the box, one out of the box, and it is the 10-inch Pikachu. I bought, I think, late last year. I bought it from Smith's, $29.99. You imagine this is about the same price as Pop in a Box. It's a really nice pop. I took the other one out of the box. It got quite a bit of weight to it. But yeah, really happy with this one. Nice. I'm going to try and make a little Pokemon. I've got the Pokemon pops there, but I'm going to try and make a better display at some point. But yeah, I think this week. So we've already got, say what, I think I'll look this up the other day to see how much that one was worth. I think they're about £27, so that's not too bad. Then next, I can get to the box, is another 10-inch. Oops. Oh, that's nice. It is Marvel Zombies, which I can't remember liking this one. I probably did, but Marvel Zombies, the thing, and I actually got the regular thing right there. I got that in a box a couple of months ago. Just move this one out of the way, and some really nice detail on this. Let's try and get this out of the box. Some of these can be a bit tricky. Can't see any, maybe just a light bit of damage there, but nothing really. Try and get this out. Yeah, there we go. And it's you can see that it's actually 2020 Summer Convention Limited exclusive. I can't remember how much this one was on the website for. want to say it's probably around the same price as the Pikachu, probably around £30. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got the little hole for the face. Oh, this looks really awesome. This. See, bobblehead just like all the Marvel ones. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it. This one there, really nice. Don't know, it's got a bit of something stuck through, but yeah, check that out. Really awesome. It's like you've got that. Yeah, that looks really cool. Wow. So yeah, thanks for watching this Pop in the Box unboxing. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. Recently unboxed this Iron Man Poppin' Tea box. This is a t-shirt from it. I'll link that below. But thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next month video.